Virat Kohli has opined on players getting exhausted amidst the bio bubble and on the other hand their schedule as well. What has he said? Well, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, what does Baba Ramdev have to say about the India-Pakistan match? Well, stay tuned to today's video to find out. Aur sabse ant mein, Rashid Latif has said that India will win against Pakistan if they do not make any mistakes. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe. But before I begin today's video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Click Trackers yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, so go ahead and hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video. Now, the world of cricket for cricketers, of course, is following an exhaustive schedule after, the second wave of COVID-19. Now, bio bubble has probably become something which is, synonym to them in a lot of ways. When they think of a particular high-profile event, they know that they're going to be entering that bio bubble. But on the other hand, a lot of cricketers have quit bio bubbles because it has, put some extra pressure on them mentally. Some have been very vocal about it. On the other hand, Virat Kohli has opined not only on the players' schedule, but also in terms of, warning cricket boards as to how this could be really dangerous, because everybody's reaction to bio bubbles is, not something normal, because at the end of the day, one cricketer could take to it very easily, or even any other person at the end of the day might not adjust to a bio bubble, especially when it's back-to-back in the particular schedule. Now, what did Virat Kohli have to say? Let's find out. Now, Virat said, "We've spoken a lot about this bubble life. The good thing is we've played a tournament like the IPL. Every day you have a new challenge in front of you. In a bio bubble, you can't say which player is in what situation. Just because 5-6 players are laughing around doesn't mean all the 15-16 are feeling the same. It's important to have communication with players and give them a period where they can mentally refresh themselves and come into such an environment once more to compete." Of course, he's talking about the fact that, once the IPL did conclude, they had to jump right into the T20I World Cup, and the bio bubble could mean so many different things for cricketers. How he's analyzed the situation where one person could take to it very, nicely. The other person, could have probably a mental breakdown as well. But in all of this, how excited are you for India's campaign for the T20I World Cup? What are you expecting from India? Do you think they are going to be lifting the title of the T20I World Cup 2021? Let me know in the comments below. Now, ever since that India-Pakistan clash was announced, there has been so many opinions and there have been so many predictions, analysis. The buzz around it is pretty obvious. Many cricket experts also opined. Fans, of course, did have their own versions. Many political leaders also talking about it. Now, the latest person to be opining on this is Yog Guru Baba Ramdev. Now, what does he have to say about this particular clash? Let's find out. Now, Ramdev said, "I feel that the cricket match under such a situation is against Rashtra Dharma and not in the interest of the nation. The game of cricket and the game of terror cannot be played at the same time." Now, this is, of course, quite a strong statement coming in from Baba Ramdev. But you all tell me, on the other hand, how do you all view this? As fans of the game of cricket, do you think at the end of the day this should be separated from that particular situation, or do you think it is bound to get such conversation going is one aspect of it, but do you think the game should be played differently from the situation between two nations? I want to know your opinions, so tell me that in the comments below. Continuing to talk about the high-octane clash between India and Pakistan, everybody is going to make their predictions, analysis, what is really going to happen. But former Pakistan skipper Rashid Latif has hit, a particular spot of saying that India can win against Pakistan if they do not make mistakes. Now, he was, very clear to call out that, one thing that is definitely going to happen is if this situation does not arise for India, then they definitely have the upper hand. But in which context has he said this? Let's find out. Now, Rashid said, "In my opinion, no matter how well Pakistan play, if Indian players don't make mistakes, then it will be difficult for Pakistan to win the match. When I captain Pakistan, I always try to introduce errors from the opposition. So it's not just about the technique or skills, it's about tactics. You have to get your tactics right and try to make the other team commit errors." Now, that's quite a statement to be making, and after all, he has spoken about the fact that when he did captain Pakistan as well, what was his strategy? Do you think Babar Azam and the boys will be able to actually get India to commit some errors, which will, of course, at the end of the day prove costly for Team India? Give me your opinions in the comments below. Well, उसी के साथ दोस्तों ये वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because वहाँ वहाँ पे you'll find some amazing match winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss out. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon, but for that do not forget to follow Crick Tracker and hit that subscribe button so that you know every time we are back with a new video. I will see you very soon. Until then, like I always say, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye bye.